it's safe to say you are in a good mood as long as you don't check your account balance. You're so okay. Hi guys, welcome back home. This is Shining Bright Living Light and I'm your host, Kiri Icon. So apparently I'm from filming another video right now, even not like, I guess 30 minutes ago. But then I was like, you know what, I'm energetic and I have time. Why not film another video? Yeah, that's why I'm here. Just changed and I'm back to business like I never left. What are we doing now in this episode? In this episode, we're going to be talking about 22 things that nobody warned me about being an adult. Yeah, as I say, this is a series where we'll be talking about 22 things because I am 22. And I wish I could have even talked about 25 to 30 things because I don't have a lot of points to share. But then I'm like, you know what? I don't need to rush life. So until I'm 30, we're gonna just be saying 22 things, and that is totally okay. So without further ado, let's get into today's episode. I don't want to yap a lot because I'm tired. Point number one: why do we need money for literally everything? That is the concept where I don't seem to fathom enough. Because right now, let's say you opt to go outside, you need money. This laptop here is money. This microphone here is money. I am money because this skin to be like this, money. This hair, money. This sofa, money. This ring lights, money. The phone I'm using to film, money. When you become an adult, money is everything. Without money, you're doomed. The next point, cooking every day feels like a personal attack. Yeah, when we were kids, let's say teenagers there. Okay, let's say kids though. Cooking was never part of your day-to-day life. You didn't even get to be stressed about cooking. Right now as an adult, literally need to contemplate and think, what am I supposed to cook? Like, should I even cook? And trust me, you're so hungry, but you just don't want to cook because it feels like a personal attack. I hate the feeling of dry. I can see that time is not on my side, so I need to hurry up and I have other things to do. Let me check if my lip gloss is good so that I don't look like a weirdo in front of a camera. I'm just hoping it's okay. If it's not, when I edit, I'm gonna cut out that part. Yeah, exactly, it's good. You can actually ruin your own mood just by checking your own bank account. As an adult, it's safe to say you are in a good mood as long as you don't check your account balance. You're so okay, thank you. Yeah. Either at some point as an adult, you realize that no one is coming to save you but yourself. Yeah, as an adult, it's either you save yourself or you're going to have it rough. Like, there's no choice A, there's no choice B, there's no choice C. You only have two choices. Either you save yourself or you save yourself. No one is coming to save you. No one. In my head, this is what is ringing. It's like no one.
No one's coming. No one. No one's coming to push you. No one's coming to tell you to turn the TV off. No one's coming to tell you to get out the door and exercise. Nobody's coming to write the business plan for you. It's up to you. Unless you understand that you've got to parent yourself, you've got to push yourself, you're not going to make your dreams come true. You're just not. We're not wired that way.
Sometimes peace is more exciting than parties. Say no more. When you become an adult, peace. You just don't want noise. You just want to be in a quiet place. Like total silence. The next point that no one warned me about is nobody warned me how expensive basic living is. Basic living is super expensive. Food, shelter, clothing, expensive. And the government don't care. Ruto don't care. Yeah, everything is expensive. The next point is laundry is never truly finished. As an adult, if you don't literally be careful, you might be doing laundry today, tomorrow, the next day, that other day, like literally the entire week. Because you'll be done with washing clothes today, tomorrow, the laundry basket is so full. And it doesn't even have audacity. Like, it's super duper full and it doesn't care. You either wash it or wash it. You don't have no choice. The next thing that nobody wants, at some point, staying home feels better than going out. Yeah, say less. Straight to the point. I have nothing to elaborate about it because it's so fact. The next, one bad sleep can ruin your entire existence. Like being an adult, you have to always make sure you either have a bad sleep to ruin your whole existence or have a good sleep and have a good experience or existence the next day. If you don't get enough sleep today, tomorrow you're going to be grumpy, you're tired, everybody's irritating you, you're just feeling like the day is long. Because being an adult is a task on its own. It's tiresome. You need naps. Each and every second of a day, you just need naps. Do you all remember when we were in lower primary school? We used to have nap lessons in the afternoon. I just feel like as adults, that is what we need more now than ever. Because being an adult is just tiresome. Then adulthood is pretending you're okay while mentally calculating expenses. Okay, this is the point I said in my other video. I don't know if it's which one though, but I said it. Being an adult is where you have to contemplate on whether to buy something or not. Personally, when I go to the counter and I see something is beyond my budget or is super duper exaggerated, I have to ask myself, do I really need these? No. Okay, thank you. Bye. An adult, you have to calculate expenses. Yeah. The next point, okay, we're point number 12. Sometimes you need to be alone so bad, and that is so okay. We need 2 minutes to breathe. We need 2 seconds to really slow down and breathe because wow. Okay, I know it's when I'm now becoming an adult, but trust me, I'm an adult. I'm not fully grown to be fully adult, but I am micro adult. Is that making sense? Yeah, so I do feel your adults out there. You recently recruited me into your team, and I can't really feel the baggage. Yeah. But okay, over here we say do shine bright, for we have seen the dark, and we live light, for we fish to carry other people's baggage. The next point is you start getting excited over every strange things like clean bed sheets. Being adult is such a weird stage in life. Because why am I just excited about clean bed sheets? Who does that? I remember when I was a teenager, I never used to care about bed sheets. Like I was just okay. But right now, I need clean bed sheets each and every single day if it's possible. Because I think having a good sleep in this stage of life is determined by whether your bed sheets are clean or not. If you're having a bad sleep, it's because your bed sheets are not clean. Trust me, yeah. You need to wash them and you're going to have the best of sleep ever. Sleeping on a clean bed sheets is just another level of, I don't know, adulting. The next point is, nobody warned me that friendships change so much after teenage years. Like adulting is such a very fast-paced syllabus where you don't even remember you do have friends. Like that is how bad adulting is. Adulting is bullying you. Adulting is just doing all sorts of things to you to the point where you just even don't remember you have friends. And the government don't care. They don't care. Trust me, it does not. The next thing that nobody warned me about adulting is being independent is cute until you realize you don't have to solve every problem by yourself. Personally, I need my father, I need my mother, I need my sister, I need my friends, I need my boyfriend, I need my cousins. Like I need the entire neighborhood. Because being an adult and being an independent person, you're going to die before your time. Trust it. And if you're someone watching me, you don't have a community, or let's say great friends, great partner, great family, you're a strong soldier. You are a strong soldier. The next point is, which point are we, by the way? We are in point number 16. Why does any small inconvenience suddenly ruin my whole day? Like being an adult is literally you walking on eggshells. You have to always make sure just not any inconvenience ruin your day. Because any small inconvenience, you're down, you're there, you're going to be grumpy, you're going to be sad, you're going to be tired for the entire day. Yeah. The next point is, adulthood is constantly deciding what to eat forever. When I was a child, I didn't need to care. I didn't need to even give a damn about what I'm eating. Food was always there. Food was always cooked. Food was always ready. But right now, it's either I cook or I'm going to stay angry. At times, you're like, let me order. But then you're like, nah. Healthy mind, healthy stomach. Yeah. I don't need even to elaborate more on that. The next point is, growing up is realizing that silence is actually comforting. Even in this video, can you take a moment of silence, please? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, let me take some water. In the meantime, commercial break. Adults is wanting silence each and every second of your life because it's so comforting. The next point is, nobody warned me how embarrassing phone calls will feel as an adult. Okay, I know there are those adults that love phone calls. Personally, can you please text me? Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Because I hate phone calls so bad. I just feel like it's just another task. I just hate phone calls. Okay, I know that those days that you can enjoy phone calls, but not on a daily basis or every second of your life. Please, I need to breathe. I need to take a nap. The next point is some days you feel extremely motivated, while other days you are celebrate only taking a shower. As an adult, taking a shower deserves a celebration because those days you're just tired. But when you get to actually like, oh goddamn, it has been productive, and there's nothing you've done. Once on Sundays, it's such a very tiresome day. You get so tired, you can't even explain why you're tired. And for those days, you're so motivated. Like me today, I filmed 2 videos. If I had time, I could still film the 3rd video because I'm so motivated. But I know tomorrow I'm gonna be so tired. Yeah, that is part of being an adult. Actually, in the second last point, 21, growing up is weird because your mindset changes before your lifestyle does. I like to feel like my frontal lobe has developed right now, but my lifestyle has not. But I know, okay, I don't know how the 25th frontal lobe, whatever, I don't know, okay? The next point is nobody warned me that one productive day will make me feel like a CEO of my life. Okay, I know like being an adult, no one is coming to save you. But at the same time, I do feel like that one productive day over the moon, I'm so happy. Like, oh goddamn. An example, today I feel like a CEO because I've been so productive. I've edited today, I've filmed today. I feel so happy. I think I deserve a celebration. I'm going to celebrate myself by watching a movie. Yeah, that is part of adulthood. Getting excited over small little things. Because being an adult, finding time to watch a movie,